Hi guys, welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you that how can you install the applications if the region is restricted. I'm talking about the Disney Plus and other kind of applications which is not currently available in your region. So I'm from Pakistan, so that's why Disney Plus is not available here. They are not giving the services here in Pakistan. So I have to install the application. So as you can see, I have two profiles. So this one and also this one. So I'm going to use this profile. Make sure this profile is for the same one which I'm currently used in the Play Store. So now as you can see, I have all these things, so the Disney Plus is not available and the other kind of applications currently is not available. So what happens if I'm going to the settings, make sure I have a TCL TV, I'm going to have the applications and I'm going to see all the applications, show applications. So this is the Google Play Store. If I'm open this one, so now I'm going to search the applications like Disney Plus. So let me search. So Disney is not available. As you can see, the Play Store is not recommending or not showing the Disney Plus. The trick is you have to just go to the profile, but before this you have to use the VPN. So this is the NordVPN. Make sure it's not a free VPN, it's a paid VPN. If you want to enjoy the 4K movies and also the series at Disney Plus or other kind of a streaming platform, you have to use the paid VPN. So I'm going to open this particular VPN and I'm going to now connect the region. So I'm selecting the United States. You can select your own. I'm selecting the United States because I have purchased the Disney Plus account from the United States. So now once you have, so United States is working. Now I'm going to the back home. So now I'm going to change the profile. Make sure you have to log in with the profile, one profile, and then you have to open the VPN. Then you have to switch the profile. That is a trick. So if I'm going to switch the profile, so from this profile to this profile. So this is my Shexy profile. I have enabled the VPN here. Now I'm going to switch from Shexy to Shazad, which is also my mine account. So now, as you can see, I have now the Disney Plus. I have also installed the Jio Hotstar. So I'm going to show you, if I'm going to open the applications, where I'm going to home, then I'm going to go to the setting, so I can show you the application. And this is the Google Play. I'm going to open the Google Play applications and now I'm going to search the Disney Plus. So if I'm searching the Disney, and boom, here as you can see, it's showing the Disney Plus application here. Since I've already installed the Disney Plus applications with this particular profile, so that's why it's showing me. If I'm going to open this one, it's working, and now it's working. Okay, so I'm going to use the screen one, and now I can watch the movies and also series from Disney Plus in 4K. So okay, one thing, when you have installed the applications, you have to log in with the Disney Plus applications. So just click on the Disney Plus applications. It will ask you that scan the QR code, or you have to access the specific link. So you have to scan the QR code with your phone or your another device. Make sure you have to also use the same VPN in your device. You are going to scan the QR code. You have to select the same country. I have selected the United States here with this particular TV. I also have to select the United States with the same VPN, NordVPN from my device. Why? Because I'm going to scan the QR code, which is currently will show you on your screen when you are going to log in first time. So once I scan the QR code, it will redirect me from the specific page to the specific page, and I will enter my credentials. When I enter the credentials, and boom, it will redirect you from the same TV. That means this particular TV. So this is the main step you have to follow. The trick is you have to switch the profile. That is the first trick. The second one, you have to use the same VPN and you have to select the same country if you want to enjoy the Disney Plus here in Pakistan or in your country if the Disney Plus is not available. You can also install any kind of applications with the same method.